Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Zyon Jones, and I am finally back at the house. I am exhausted, man. Yes, I had a good time out there in South Carolina, but it is so exhausting when you're not at home in your own comfort zone. And I'm finally back in the studio, ready to give you guys another how to cop video. Make sure if you guys have not been watching the last previous vlogs I've been doing on this channel, you have. I went to the Nike outlet. I did some stuff out there, had a great time. Also, y'all already know the vibes, man. New channel alert. Do have a new channel over there. Link down below. Over there is basically where I react to basketball content, and I even play basketball myself, 1v1s, 5-on-5s, whatever. Getting back into the hoop grind is real, man. I wanted to document it and just put it on a new channel. So Sniper Jones TV is where you can find that. Make sure you support it, and I appreciate it as well. All right, now the Yeezy 350 that I've been waiting for the longest finally has a release date, and it's this weekend, July 18th. We have the 350 V2 Zyon for the retail price of $220. Now, even though I know a lot of people have been tired and upset because the Yeezys dropped so many 350s, it can get upsetting. It can become a headache at times, but I feel like it has been a while since we got a 350, so now I'm just grateful. These were supposed to release like a few months ago, actually, and they just kept getting pushed back until now we finally have a release date. I know it was during like all the madness when the riots happened and people was breaking in different, Foot Lockers and City Gears and all these other franchises, and I believe that Adidas just decided this wasn't the right time for this break and just decided to push it back later on, which I completely agree with, and I can't be any happier that it's finally amongst us. So if you came to this video, then you probably want to know what is your best shot to get these. I try to drop these early, and also I do drop how to cop videos on just about every big release to try to give y'all my best input and my best thoughts and ideas on how to cop. So without further ado, you came to the right channel. Here go the tips, the knowledge, the tools that you need. Let's get to it. As I told you guys in my last video, if you want to try to get these manually, then best of luck to you. But we do live in 2020 where the world is just not the same as 1990 where you just walk into a store and buy sneakers. I am in a cook group, guys. Cook Essential is the cook group that I use, and pretty much it's been good to me. Now, they do have slots available right now for the Yeezy 350 V2 Zyon, and it's free for all of the members that's inside the cook group. So you heard me right. If you're in this cook group, Cook Essentials, you do get free slots to win a pair of Zyons. And the slot is nothing but you putting down your size, credit card number, all that good stuff that the bot would need to use to make sure that you hit for your pair. You get a free slot, okay? So I just want to let y'all know that that's a perk of being inside of the group. All members get free slots. The other thing that's pretty cool about this is they use the best slots available. Now, I know a lot of you guys aren't with botting, y'all against botting, but like I said, once again, it's 2020, everybody has a bot. So if you're trying to just manually beat these bots yourself, you're always going to lose. You have to adapt. I didn't want to do the bot way. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to have to go through a cook group to get shoes, but I had to. If not, I will never have content to bring y'all because every sneaker worth having would be sold out in 5 seconds like we all go through. So, I mean, either get with it or just fall behind, man. I'm sorry. It's really the only options that we have. For people who don't know what Cook Essentials is basically a Discord group. I will link it down below. It's very, very limited on spacing, and the only way you can get in is if you use my link that's linked directly below the video. And you can save money if you use my discount code SNIPES5. It saves you a little bit of bread for the intro. I believe it saves you like $5 off your first month, which, you know what I'm saying, could be pretty helpful. Anyways, they have over 100 channels over at this Discord, 100 channels, and they're growing more every single day. These channels go from backdoor, so basically sneakers that's unreleased, you can get first on those. You can get slots like I just told you about. You can even figure out where and when different sneakers are restocking. You get the exact link, like the actual link to whatever shoe is restocking. Say if, I don't know, the LeBron 11 lows restock tomorrow and it's very hype. You get the exact link to take you to that exact web page at the exact same time. It's a huge advantage. You don't have to keep up with all this stuff. It's people in the chat, people in the Discord who keep up with everything, and all you have to do is just, learn how to use it and use it to your advantage. Now, in this cook group, they do use two bots called Cyber and Cody. So if you are familiar with botting, then you know that these are two of the most efficient bots. It's a lot of bots out there. These are the two most efficient bots. Just about everybody cook up pairs. I believe the alternate great fives, or whatever y'all want to call them, a lot of people cook pairs. Just about everybody in the cook group got pairs that they wanted. So, I mean, I'm feeling good about it. Me helping y'all out, putting y'all on this cook group is definitely starting to help. I got a lot of DMs from you guys telling me that y'all got some good luck. So, I'm happy to hear that. And hopefully, y'all get some good luck on these Zyons too. I want everybody to get W's down below. So, all in all, this is just a great way to get pairs, earn money, you know what I'm saying? Get more money because you got more accessibility to these things. And just make a difference, or at least start a difference if you already taking L's. Like, no longer are you taking L's on shoes or paying resale for shoes. You can finally pay retail and just go about your day, man, or start you a bit, or do whatever you want to do. But this is one of the ways you do it, and this is what I do. Next up, we have the apps that we all know and love. The first app that we're going to talk about is Hibbett Sports app. Not only because I love Hibbett Sports, but only because they have the most fair and have the most appreciated app of all. I literally just got done doing my Hibbett Sports raffle as we speak before I turned on the camera. I'm sorry. You know, I was out of town. Now I'm back in town. I can use my GPS. I can point the stores around me. Right now it's looking like no stores are available for pickup. It's looking like only they can ship to you. So I tried the online raffle. That might be my area, might not be yours, so don't trip out if it's not on your screen. This is old school. This is the app that I love. It's super simple. All you do is go on Hibbett Sports app. You look for the sneaker on a release calendar. As soon as you pick that sneaker, you pick the size you want. You choose the stores you want. You can only pick 3 stores, and then you simply just enter the raffle. Now, in my case, where if no stores are available, they do have an option where you can just try to get the shoes online. It works the same way. I believe it's Friday, the day before the release. They'll tell you if you won between 1 and 5, you will be alerted. And if you win through online, they ship it to you. And if you win through pickup store, then you pick up at the store. I mean, I can't make it any more easier than that. Next up, we have the one and only, the one that I hate the most, the one that should be erased at this very, very moment, the worst app ever made in history of all time. The Flex app. This is a bundle of Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and all those other top tier stores. They combined together and made this Flex Rewards program where it's all under the same hub. Now, it's very inconsistent. I hate it a lot. It's not fair. It's super stupid. But if you would like to go this route, I'll tell you how to go this route. Same way, you go on there, you look for the releases. Once you go to the releases, you check the shoes that you want, and then you put in the area code that bring up the surrounding stores. In my case, for some reason, it's saying there are no surrounding stores that selling by me, which I don't think is true. But I mean, I never went on there anyway, so I don't care. After that, you know what I'm saying, they do tell you the winner on Friday after you pick your size in your stores, the same way as Hibbett Sports. Now, for my apps, for my raffle guys, my guys who like raffles out there, DTLR, Jimmy Jazz, also hit up your boutiques around the area. Like in Atlanta, you got A Monier, you have Wish ATL, and you have Social Status. These are like tier 0 stores that get Yeezys, you know, Off-White, all those things that we know and love, Dunks, all of the hype stuff, they get those. So hit those stores up, check their Instagrams, because just about now they should either be dropping online at 10 o'clock or doing some type of raffle, some type of stuff at the stores. Who knows with this pandemic going on. But if you do want these, check around your local area and see how different stores are handling this release, because every store don't do it the same way. Don't wait too long. Actually, do it now. Like, do it now. Like, the last thing I want you to do is be calling around Friday or Thursday like a chicken with your head cut off, trying to figure out how to get these. Just be prepared, bro. Just do it now. Also, SNS, that is an app where another one, I never won. I know people who hit on this app though, so I can't hate on it. SNS, sneakers and stuff. That is a raffle that I usually use. Just about for every big release they have. Yeah, just about every big release they will have your size on there or have the shoe you're looking for on there. So that is available right now. I know sometimes I'll be telling you guys to check out SNS and y'all go over there and that shoe don't be available. Sometimes they take them down for whatever reason, I don't know. But SNS is just another way. The way I look at it, if it's free, you can enter, but don't harm you. It only increases your chance. I've never hit, but I still do it every release because you never know. That one time you need it, that one time you get it. You know what I'm saying? It works like that. I hit on, you know, Travis Scott 6s off of raffles like that. I hit from, like, what was that? It was the Adidas for real, the Oreo colorway, back when the human races was like the hottest thing in the world. Off a raffle, just retail. I'm telling y'all, don't sleep on those. It's very hard to win, but you're not paying. Or you have no risk, so just do it. Almost forgot, guys, Adidas.com will have these, but they're only doing it on the app right now. So they won't have it at that 10 o'clock, you know, where you load it in the lobby and you trying your best to get a pair, you got 30 screens up. No, check out the Adidas app right now. They're loaded on the Adidas app. I'm not sure how long they will be loaded, but they are doing it raffle style. So you can't just log on to Adidas.com at 10 o'clock and hope for the best. But you can always go on Yeezy Supply. As I know of right now, they will be loaded around 10 a.m. on Saturday, the day of the release. If anything changes, be sure to check out my Instagram or Twitter because I'll make sure I put that out there. But that's all I know as of now. Yeezy Supply is very tricky because it's always different just about every release. And it has been a while since a Yeezy has released, so they might do something a little tricky. But it's up in the air. I know for sure that Adidas does have the raffle on their app right now. So download the Adidas app and good luck for everybody who wants to go through the Adidas and Yeezy Supply route. Other than that, man, that's pretty much it all as of what I know right now. My safest bet, I'm feeling real comfortable because of the Cook Group, honestly. The Cook Group really got me feeling like I'm going to get a pair, especially after seeing the results. Some people got like 6-7 pairs of those alternate grade 5. So, I mean, if they hitting like that, you know, I just need one. If I could just get one, I'm cool. So I am feeling good about my chances, man. Hopefully you guys are feeling good about your chances as well. If you have any more additional questions, any more, you know, if you're unsure about some things, get at me on Instagram. It's linked down below. Sniper Jones on Twitter and IG. Either way is fine with me. Also, guys, before I get up out of here, make sure that you're checking out my new channel for new content, stuff that's beyond sneakers on there, man. I love shoes, but it's just more to your boy. And if you want to be a part of that, then I appreciate you guys. And hey, you're more than welcome over at Sniper Jones TV. Other than that, man, I will catch up with y'all soon. I'm just about to chill at the crib, man. It's been a while since I just chilled at my crib. It feels good to be back. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.